Hi everybody, my name is Doug. Today I'm going to be putting together the Gulzar Bunkie Board by the company Zinus. This is a quick assembly bunkie board that you can get on Amazon.com. It qualifies for free shipping with Prime. At the time I bought it, it costs around $62 for a queen size. It comes in all the normal sizes. Of course, prices can and do fluctuate, so be sure to check online. I'm going to put it together for you in fast motion, and then I'll show you how it works. Here we go. Alright, got that done. What do you think? I'll put the actual assembly time here on the screen after I review the video. As you can see, there's a metal frame on the outside, a support column down the middle, and then there's about 14 cross slats to provide support for the bed mattress. Some of them have white strips on them, which has an optional peel-off feature to keep the mattress from slipping around. I've never found that I've needed that, but you could. One last thing to mention is it does come with all the tools you need for assembly, including a small Allen wrench. All of the bolts are Allen wrench based, but the ratcheting version they include is very flimsy, so you might want to buy your own like I did. It's used with pretty much all Zinus bed furniture, so I'll put a link to that in the description box too. Alright, let's check it out and see how it works. So I assembled it in the living room because I needed a big open area, then I slid it into our bedroom here. And I'll take the Gulzar Bunkie Board. It's not very heavy, so unless you have an impairment, one person should be able to do this. And just lift it just so it's barely inside the frame of the bed, and then I'll gradually let it down. Don't hold these bars, the up and down bars or the side to side crossbars. Hold the middle part when you let it go all the way down. And then you may need to make just a minor adjustment. Now that it's in place, you can see what it looks like assembled and on the bed frame. There's some things I store under there. It won't reduce the storage space, but it also won't increase it. There's 4 crossbars on the bed frame, but because of the Gulzar Bunkie Board, there's now 14 different crossbars. And I'll set a ruler down here so that you can see it's about 5.5 inches from center to center, or about 5 inches between bars. After nesting inside the frame, the Gulzar is less than an inch above the frame, so it raises your mattress only about an inch above the bed frame level itself. Or if you'd like to think of it this way, less than 2 finger widths. If you're unsure of the difference between a bunkie board and a box spring and which would suit you better, I have a whole separate video on that topic. You can see the card up in the corner, or you can look in the description box. So if you have a bed frame like this one, with only 3 or 4 large crossbars, and you need more support for your mattress but you don't want the height of a box spring, a bunkie board is probably the solution for you. And the Zinus Gulzar Bunkie Board may well be a great solution. It's one of the thinnest bunkie boards out there made of metal, and because it's made of metal, it'll last a long time and it's really durable. Here's a link you can click to get more information on where to buy the Gulzar Bunkie Board, and here's a video that explains the difference between bunkie boards and box springs. Once you've watched all of that, go take a nap.